Active, Godfrey test positive, PLC negative. X-rays appear to be normal. There's a stress X-rays. We usually do a kneeling down lateral view. There's a nice posterior sag seen there. Alignment seems to be all right. Can I have the measurements? And MRI shows a complete PCL disruption. Over to Dr. Vivek Pandey and the moderators for the surgery.
Good morning, Vivek.
Good morning, sir. Parag, sir.
We have Dr. Shirish, Dr. Samir with you, and don't worry, we are not going to bully you.
And Vivek, you were very kind yesterday while you were moderating my surgery.
Okay,
so
okay.
Pay you
So
back.
it's like, yeah. That's what
He
I told
owes
you.
you one, but I don't owe you
Yes,
anything.
I had to bully Chirag to, to let you be on board. Okay,
Yeah,
so
Vivek, what's your plan now?
Okay, now plan is already decided by Chirag. I'll just execute this. So I'll just show
Can you run us through the steps?
Yeah, I'll just run through. So we have done the diagnostic arthroscopy. Okay, the trochlea seems to be okay. The medial facet of patella did show some grade 1 changes, but nothing much. Okay. So since this is 1.5 years old injury, it is very, very important for everybody to remember that there will be changes in almost 80 to 90% changes in the medial compartment of the knee and the patellofemoral. Now, why it is important to record this? Because these patients will complain of some medial side pain in post-op. So if you have known during the arthroscopy that there was a medial cartilage injury, you can at least do something, either intra-op or post-op. Now, so I'll show you there's a medial compartment injury. The lateral side is slightly opening because when I did the examination, there was a grade 1 opening. Okay, so you can see there's a subtle more opening as compared to normal. It's about 4 millimeter opening, 4.5.
So does that worry you, that opening? So do you plan to do something more?
Not really, because he is a bit lax on other side also. He has got recurvatum on other side 15 degree, about 10 degrees. So this side was about 5 degrees, slightly less than the other side. Maybe there's some fibrosis which has prevented the recurvatum. But I'm not planning to do anything, sir.
But stress X-rays are showing more than 12 mm displacement, right, Vivek?
Oh, is it so?
No, that's on the posterior side.
Posterior side.
So,
Vivek, beginner's
Yes.
question.
yes.
Do you have any preference about positioning of patient, especially ACL versus PCL, or it is same for both?
It is same for both.
So this is hanging position.
Yeah, just, no, it's on the table.
On the table.
Yes, so you see this is the typical sag sign.
Yes, very well
Okay.
demonstrated. So just
Typical
to take
sag.
forward Dr. Samir's question, if
Yeah.
there is a posterior sag of 12 millimeters, do you think in association with a little bit of drive-through, does that
Posterolateral, do you want to look for?
just a theoretical question?
Nahin, I mean,
know in this
I
case you're not going
completely
to do
agree with
it. It is just more of a theoretical question
No,
for the
I
audience.
completely agree with you because when I went inside the joint, I found it was almost 4 to 5 mm. The varus laxity was more than the other side. Now, so what we do normally is just do the PCL first and then
Okay.
recheck.
Okay.
Recheck.
Perfect.
Now, one point I want to, highlight to the, the beginners especially. So when this portal, anterolateral is standard portal. But when you make the anteromedial portal, I always prefer to make it collinear with this line. Rather than coming from here a bit oblique. So this collinearity here makes your life very easy when you enter with your jigs. Okay, and if I am, let's say, putting my scope also, it gives me the collinearity to see the PCL insertion rather than going very
so,
oblique.
That's a very good point.
You see, this is very collinear. It straight away goes in here.
Yes.
Okay, and I can see this. This is a bit getting hot.
So the condyle doesn't come in the way if
Yes,
you take
exactly.
it far more
See,
medially.
see, it's all getting hot here. And that's why this is.
That means, Vivek, you are not making a second window between ACL and PCL?
No, because it is so easily seen here, Samir. Okay, I've already established my posteromedial portal. I make only one portal. I've already cleared a bit here. Okay, I'll just do a little bit more clearance and then I go straight to the femur. Now, please do something. This is not nice.
So
Visibility.
Vivek,
Yes.
contrary to ACL, when we go in, we find torn ACL fiber. Sometimes it is absent. But when we go in for PCL reconstruction, most of the times we see significant part of the PCL still there. So what is your strategy? Do you want to preserve
Okay.
it? You want to excise
So
it completely?
So I'll come to this, the fundamental point which I had learned from Charlie Brown. You see, what I understand and what, what should be understood. Please do something for this. This is untenable. You see, there has been always a lot of discussion about this footprint savings, Sirish.
Yeah.
But you see, the fundamental point, do something.
Sir,
the
Vivek, sir.
No,
Anand, yes.
let
That
me just,
scope, that
let me,
scope is having an issue.
yeah, we are doing something for this. So, what is most important in any ligament reconstructions is establishing the tunnel accurately.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if any of, and passage of the graft, if I find that the scope, the tunnels cannot be established accurately with the, the remnants of those collagen fibers, I would remove it.
Right, right.
That is my fundamental, because you see, if that remnant of collagen tissue, which I am planning to preserve, was so effective, okay, patient wouldn't have come to me. That's what I believe.
Yeah, that's a good point, but whenever, as you rightly
Yes.
said, if you can preserve the remnant
Yes, if
in
I
the
can preserve-
PCL or ACL without affecting your tunnel position and graft passage, one should always do it.
Give me the PCL femur.
So
PCL femur.
to rephrase
PCL
it,
femur.
you
This is
don't want
tibia.
to make wrong tunnels just for sake of
Exactly.
preserving some collagen.
Absolutely. And second is in the PCL, it is very important that you must be able to pull the graft with the ease. Okay, you preserve too many bundles, you are, struggling for 20 minutes, it makes no sense to me.
Agreed.
Because these are all already stretched out PCL fibers. I have always bewildered with this one statement, I want to preserve. What do you want to
Yeah.
preserve? That has never been a very functional set of collagen bundles. It's okay, it gives some probably later help in synovialization.
Sure,
But as far as
sure.
the mechanical strength, it has zero mechanical. Rappa kodima.
But it adds to the
No,
collagen.
take it out. Take it out, handle. Just handle kodi. So now I'm going to make my the Rakshasa.
So Vivek, you are planning a single bundle?
Yes,
AL
single bundle.
reconstruction.
Knife kodi. Just give me the
AL.
knife. Knife kodi. How big it is. Give me the PCL femur jig. So first
So-
I'm going to mark
Yeah.
the artery, please. Artery ma. So first I'm going to mark my point. Okay.
So you will choose a point in between the two bundles, or you will go more for a AL?
More for
biased?
AL, sir. More for AL.
Okay.
This does not have marking, but about 8 mm. So give me the RF. Give me the probe also, ma. So my point will be somewhere here, as high, somewhere there. This is actually the AL bundle. Do you agree with me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, Vivek.
So
Very
somewhere
well.
here. Okay. Right, now give me the needle, please. So I'm going to shift my scope for a while on this side,
Yes.
just to see where my needle comes, because I'm going to drill inside out. Give me the needle, please. Spinal needle. So first is always check where is your superior portal. So this is the superior portal. And now with relation to that, I make the inferior portal. So at least I know where exactly how much space I'll have. Now this is little bit too far medial. I'll just go little bit more lateral. Again, keeping that how far I am from femoral condyle, because the reamer shall not graze it. So if you're too close here, you can actually graze the femoral condyle. So that comes with the experience that okay, my graft is actually 9.5, 9.5. So I know with the experience that if I make it here, my femoral condyle will not be grazed. But by mistake, if somebody has made the portal here, you see how close it is?
Yes.
You can, a
Yeah,
beginner
the
can
reamer
just...
can damage it. yeah.
Exactly. So that's why I said you put your scope on this side to see where you are exactly. So I'm going to take the point which
So
I
you have
took.
already harvested the graft?
Yes, sir. It's ready. Peroneus I have taken.
Peroneus.
Peroneus. It's a 9.5, 9.5 graft with a
What
length of 10.
Okay.
Okay. So here we are. Knife, please.
So it is triple or quadruple?
Triple. Adala, 10. Yes. Take it out. Artery, please. Sanna dilwa. It's okay. Give me the shaver, just I'll remove this little bit of fat for the,
So what I generally do is I drill the femoral tunnels from outside in, and I usually like to have a graft which is 140, 160, and I wanted to come out from my tibia because I use the screw fixation second generation on both the sides.
Okay,
So that is
okay,
why
sir.
I need a little longer length. But from
uh-huh.
here you are going to do a retro drilling. So
Yes,
I
sir,
think
yes,
a
sir.
smaller tunnel and a smaller length of the graft is sufficient.
तुम्हारे suction ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, fine. So this is fine. Now give
Any
me
of the delegates have any questions, please, there are microphones, please come up and ask because this is more for you and to have more interaction directly
can I
with
have
Dr. Vivek.
something like drainage? Give me that. Give me this. No, sleeve. Yeah, give me that. Keep one, this thing ready, ma. You see what I'm using here is actually the sheath for the, the drill sleeve
Yes.
for the PCL, just to drain the fluid. Can you see this?
Okay.
This is very, very handy. Sometimes you can use the shaver outer sheath also to clear the field of vision. Okay, now give me the guide wire, please, ma.
Something like a
Yeah,
suction
free hand.
effect.
Free hand. You had your breakfast or simply scratching me?
No, he's directly come to your routine. He is scared now.
So the position of knee would be 90 or more.
Yeah, position of the knee is 90. I may change it slightly.
You want to be just kissing the cartilage for anterolateral bundle?
Do you think this is appropriate?
Yeah, looks
Because you
perfect.
see, when you will drill 9.5, it will come almost close to the cartilage.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Next will be 4.5 drill.
Sir? Vivek sir,
Yep.
Chirag. So sometimes what I do is I keep my 9.5 reamer there flush to the articular cartilage. And then put in my guide pin. Two things,
Yes.
it gives me that offset.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
That's the easiest way. What I
Yes. Give me the RF, please. Give me the RF. So one of the things which is important for beginners to understand, in arthroscopy, if you cannot see now, or if you predict that you will not be able to see in next 5 minutes, do not proceed. So I see a lot of fat coming here, which is going to block my vision. So the first thing is I'll remove all this. So vision is the key in profession and arthroscopy. If you don't have a clarity, what am I going to do? At least hold on for a while. So I knew that this is going to be my problem. So I just remove all this because you must see very, very clearly. Wherever, whatever you are doing, drilling, making tunnels, must see. So now you see it has become clear because this fat will keep on absorbing the fluid and every 10 minutes it will become a bit bigger. Okay, give me 4.5 ma. Okay,
Yes. What is it?
keep the sleeve ready in that other portal.
So you're not using a jig, that's the question from the
No,
floor.
I did use it, sir. You
Just
see,
to-
now Parag sir, can you see how close it comes?
Yeah, I can.
That's the reason I was telling that one has to be very careful while making this portal.
Yes, absolutely, totally agree.
About Zig,
Same,
if
same.
you are
Put it
using
inside.
a outside in technique, you can use the Zig for that. If you are using outside
Hold
in
this,
technique.
hold this, hold
For
this.
inside out technique, if you want to have a Zig, then just now as Dr. Chirag said, we can use a reamer
You
as
see,
a guide.
just hold it here.
And place it over there. That will
So you
act
see
as a
now-
Zig as well as
now-
a enter.
Now you see, in between you just close it and open it. You see, now this will keep taking away my debris. Keep opening and keep closing. Adal, Ali.
So what is your fixation on the femoral and tibial side? Are you planning endobutton?
Femoral, sir, femoral will be the suspensory system.
Okay,
So that is now, one second, we are going to 20,
yes.
25, 30, 35, plier please.
Yeah.
Okay, it's about between 45 to 50.
Okay.
So what size was this? Just
This is 4.5, sir.
4.5.
And when you are here, this is again for beginners, do not drill. Just swivel it out.
Yes.
Okay? So that's the 4.5, and you see how this sleeve is helping us. So Dr. Rahul is actually just opening and closing, which helps in removing all the debris. You can do it in the same thing in the ACL also. Give me the 9.5, please. And another important trick is, you know, if let's say in ACL, we usually keep the, you know, the femoral sizes or tibial sizes almost same.
Yeah.
One churama. But in PCL, don't do this hirakiri. Okay, at least tibia, you can always go at least 0.5 or maybe 1 above for the ease of. No, it's okay.
Now, Vivek, you are holding the scope in the anteromedial portal itself, right?
Anterolateral.
Anterolateral. And even you are drilling from the anterolateral portal.
Yes.
Below.
Yes. Take out that. So as we, you know, expect there's always some amount of fat coming in. No, I can change it. So, you know, it's like there's another saying in arthroscopy, don't be slave of a portal. If you feel that you are unable to see from a portal or this portal is giving you trouble, change your portal or make a new portal. So don't be a slave of portal. And especially when you are doing shoulders, you know, making portal, you know, is just make one portal extra quickly.
So that's a good idiom. Don't be the slave of the
Don't
portal.
be slave of a portal. Okay.
Till now I've only heard that don't be slave of your mobile. But now
Okay,
I've
give me
heard
that.
a new thing today. Very good, Vivek.
This is how much? 9.5? So, yeah. So you see, I did not drill. I have gone in with just, you know, push only. Yeah, you can push it in.
So
And you see, again, Parag sir, you see how close we are.
Absolutely.
Okay, and
This
that's
is
why
so-
the
so
establishing,
important.
establishing this portal under the vision, having thought process that how thick is my graph, where should I
Yes.
place is very, very important.
This was particularly the lessons we learned when we moved from a transtibial drilling to the anteromedial porting for our ACL.
Yes.
And I must confess, in the initial times, I have scratched the condyle. It is definitely very, very important, the point you're stressing for the beginners. Very important.
Just hold this scope, beta. Okay, 1 second.
The position of the knee, outside camera, zoom out, Anand.
Yes, no. Okay, and you see this will keep on making my life easy.
It's 90 degree.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is,
So I have just gone in. Now here again, it's important you see, these fibers of PCL will let you think that you are actually 25, you are not 25, you are probably 20 or 22. So since the tunnel was almost 45, 50, I'll prefer to go almost 25. And we are here, this is almost 30 is gone in. Fine, that should be fine for me, I won't go any further. Now again, as the reamer comes out, do not drill.
any questions from the floor, please?
Just gradually remove it.
So just
And-
one question to
and-
Shirish and,
and-
Samir while you're doing this very quickly. Shirish, do you do double bundle as a routine in your PCLs or?
Just hold the
I
camera, man.
always do single
No,
bundle
not- never
AL
cross the
with
field. Never
preservation of remnant.
And-
And I go intercruciate axis.
Yeah, whenever the PCL has the enough remnant. What about you, Samir?
No, I do almost 90% times double bundle,
Double bundle.
PCL reconstruction.
Right.
And 10% when ideas are clear that if remnants are there,
Okay.
you better to go
Take
with
it
a
off.
single bundle
Better,
remnant
better.
preserving
Take it off. Load it.
PCL
Load it again.
reconstruction.
Take it
If
off.
remnants
Take
are
it
not there,
Now,
it's fragile,
Yes.
then better to go.
Correct.
now
Thanks,
it's
Samir.
again important that you clean this mouth properly.
Yes.
And that is why, you know, Parag sir,
Yes.
all this footprint saving becomes a farce.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
once you clean up all this, where is the attachment remaining?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's why I've always felt, you know, this is too much, especially in PCL,
Yeah.
you know, there's too much of emphasis. And
Yeah.
I've always felt,
True. No, in the want of doing a biological remnant
yes.
preservation,
And again, you know, this goes
reconstruction,
in, this sleeve goes in.
Yeah. The
takes
tunnel
away
should
all
not
the
get
debris.
compromised.
Yes, so this is what we learned with Charlie Brown, that do not compromise the tunnel placement in the want of keeping some collagen. As you get experienced, you can do all that.
Yes.
But in the
totally.
beginning, don't do this.
You are right.
I mean, maybe you do some, let's say 25, 30 ACLs, then you start doing this. Maybe do about 10, 15 PCLs, then you do this.
Yes.
But before that, don't try all this.
Yeah. No, even now, why try it? You know, if
Okay,
it's
now,
just
ready,
coming
one,
in the
two,
way,
three.
you remove it.
So ideally, it is said that the PCL should come from in between this, here,
Yeah.
here. I'll see whether I want to really do that or just put it. Because the other important thing is how you fix the PCL, maybe dual fixation on tibia. I learned with Charlie that, this is one unforgivable graft.
Yes.
Your post-op, if it goes wrong, Shiva, please.
But even Dr. Vivek, Charlie is doing double bundle PCLs
No.
when remnants are not there.
Yeah. He will clean up every single thing. He is not a,
Yeah.
very remnant
Preservation guy.
preservation. He is very clear that you should see it very properly. And no, I'm talking about the post-op, Sameer. So post-op, what's the post-op protocol you follow, Sameer and Sirish?
Yes, Samir, post-op after PCL reconstruction.
What's the
is-
post-op protocol?
Post-op protocol is slightly different from the ACL, that we try to keep the patients more in the prone position. All exercises in prone positions for PCL.
So you can see this one is
Very
intact.
nice. Shirish, anything?
So I keep them non-weight bearing for 2 weeks and
Yeah.
partial weight bearing for next 2 weeks. I start range of movement
Yes.
after 2 weeks. And also I give posterior tibial support for the long knee brace.
Yes,
I
I
want to
think-
go slow with PCL.
That is the important thing, posterior tibial support,
Yeah, go.
so that
Go.
the tibial
Pull up,
sag
pull
is
up, pull up,
prevented.
pull up.
I think that is something which you can modify. You go for
Okay.
these Donjoy braces,
madam.
they are
It's okay,
15,
it's okay. Don't
20,000.
nothing will happen.
You can just put a piece of sponge
Okay,
just below the
now
joint line and make
this
sure
is
that the
done.
tibia is elevated in your post-op. So we were talking about the posterior, tibial support brace. PPS
Yes.
brace, that is, I think,
So,
one of the important factors
think-
in the post-op.
Give me the jig, please. So, Parag sir, that is one thing
Yeah.
which has completely changed my PCL results. PCL, tibia, jig,
Yes.
completely changed it. Okay?
Yes.
Previously.
So what we have done is we modified our regular
Take out
brace and, our physiotherapist kind of make it at the exact level, and that is also
So
explained to the
now
patient.
we are going to put this from this portal.
Yes, so I think this is the critical one, to get the
Okay,
tibial tunnel right.
Again, you see, sir, the collinearity is helping me.
Yeah,
If it was
absolutely.
coming oblique, you really, have to push it hard.
That's a
So it's
great
just
point,
in
and
straight line. And then,
to be honest,
Just
Vivek,
hold
this is
on.
the first time somebody has told me this, so I'm going to do this
so
in my next PCL
then we
onwards.
put the scope here and see where we are.
Yeah,
Okay, have we reached that point or not?
this is again very important step.
Now Vivek, here
Yeah.
the important step
hold it,
comes,
capital.
like now remnants are intact over here on the posterior tibial side. Now whether you are going to elevate these remnants, remove these remnants and see for the champion drop sign, or you are just going to
Just going with
place it
this
in
15
between.
to 20, 15 to 20 slightly lateral, you see, towards the midline. The mistake is coming too much medial. If you're too much medial, your PCL is going to rub against the medial femoral condyle. So I'm going to go a little lateral, okay, almost in the midline. You see now, that's
So
the
you
important.
are on the slight lateral side than the midline.
Exactly,
Vivek?
sir, slightly
Yes,
erring on the
yes,
lateral side, slightly.
Yes.
Give me the jig now.
So I
Vivek,
think
most of the times what I do is, as a routine practice, I make a transportal view. I make a posterolateral. So, because I remember few of my early cases, as you rightly said, I was drilling my tibial
Now-
tunnels too much medially. So if
Sirish,
you, yeah,
Can we see just one point?
yeah.
You see here, outside, can you focus? You see, so normally what I do, I put this jig, I just keep an angle at roughly at 60, and then I see where this bullet is sitting best
Okay.
without a stress. And that's the place we make the incision.
Okay.
Not a pre-incision decided, I mean, of course it won't make a difference, but this is what sometimes it helps
You
me.
get it more accurate, so you
Accurate,
avoid
yeah.
soft tissue stretching and unnecessary
Yes.
retraction.
So unnecessary, you're not, stressing the
Yes.
soft tissues. Okay,
Yes,
so
absolutely.
I say, fine, this is good for me. So this is the place, and then we just leave it.
So
mark
would
it.
you say, Vivek, that it is almost mandatory to see where your posterior placement is near the champion drop sign, champion glass sign, or can we do it blindly?
We do blindly, sir. Otherwise, you have to actually use an image. And I have never found, once it is between 15 to 20, I don't think, I mean, I have not done such a great analysis on X-rays, but
Yes.
almost all X-rays, it's a champion
Yeah.
drop sign.
So for
Scissors,
me, you know, when
soft
I
tissue,
do a ACL,
forceps.
the femoral tunnel is critical, and when I do a PCL, the tibial tunnel.
Yes.
Because that's what the tibial tunnels have, you know,
Give me the knife again.
the femoral tunnel is a breeze, but we have to, you know, make sure that the tibial tunnel is placed rightly. And you go sufficiently down enough, and the posteromedial or the
I'm-
posterolateral portal is a must to see
For the,
where you are.
for the reason of just the conference, I'm making it slightly bigger just to have no confusion here. Ease
Yes.
of placement, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, you can use a periosteum elevator to elevate.
Are you going to save that vein?
You don't do anything, sir. They just
Anand's
remain.
visualization is so good, no? We see all the
Anand
small
is-
veins and everything.
Anand Peter is the messiah of life surgeries.
Yes.
Anywhere.
That is why he's become such a rare commodity now, you know, it's difficult to get him.
I'm not very sure whether the foreigners are calling him or not.
He's planning to go to Dubai soon.
No. We should not lose him. No.
Yes.
He's our asset.
Yes, totally agree.
I don't know whether there's any way of selling the asset.
Yeah.
We should put a price. If Anand has to leave India, the Dubai has to, pay,
Yes,
let's
yes.
say pay this much of GST or something
There's
like that.
a Anand Public Limited company coming
Absolutely. So you see now, it's
Vivek.
stable. Yes.
Now, can you just highlight some points, tips and tricks for the youngsters, like how to avoid posterior drilling of the wire?
Posterior?
Posterior drilling of the wire should be safe. How safely you can drive?
1 second. So this thing is, once, the position is fixed, here, roughly, no, just show me there, beta. I need to see that between 15 to 20. Okay, it's almost 20. So I know that it will be almost close to the champion drop. Then fix. There are some stoppers. I've never used those stoppers. Give me the drill. First cortex you go, second cortex, what you can do is if you're ever in doubt. So the first trick is, Samir, which is the key in all PCL reconstruction, is never start doing the things if you cannot see there.
Okay.
That clearance of that space is very important. So you see the first cortex gone,
Yeah.
first cortex gone. I am now at the second cortex.
Yes, and we'll see a wire coming out soon.
Okay, now just hold it here. New bedama.
So
Now
Vivek,
I'll ask
what-
one second, please.
Sure,
Just-
this is a critical
You
step.
see, here you can continue to show, go in a beta, go in a 1 millimeter, perfect, excellent. Okay, just stay there, okay. The other step would be, you can just mallet it, okay. So now I know that I'm at the second cortex,
Yeah, we can see it.
there it is, okay, that's it. If you're ever in doubt for a beginner, what you can do is you can always have an image, always.
Yes.
There's no shame.
Yes.
And you can always tap it very gently.
Yes. So I
When
think
you're-
this is a critical step in the initial part of my PCLs, you know, I used to do this blindly until, you know, there was a nearly vascular injury I had, and
Okay,
after
give me
this
the
it's always
protector,
done under
protector.
visualization. So never do this step blindly.
Now this is another important thing. You need to have this protector. Without protector, don't proceed.
Yes.
You can use the same jig. So I can try putting sometimes from here itself. Otherwise, for a beginner, immediately come out. Put your scope, because remember, don't damage a structure in your heroics or ego. But I can put it like this. Give me this. Because
So
when you're
Vivek,
going in,
another simple trick
You-
what
you-
we follow is we make the length of jig is 14 centimeter
correct.
and the tunnel length we can see on the bullet. So
Yes.
if it is 3.5, we add 17.5 and fix the drill bit, the guide wire exactly at 17.5. So it
True.
becomes a stopper.
True.
That's another good point to prevent any, you know, neurovascular damage in the posterior
Okay.
area.
So now, okay, there we see. Now,
Yeah.
just a second. Now you need to take the light.
So what's your size of the tibial tunnel?
Same 9.
Nine.
I'm going to do 10, sir, because the graft is 9.5. So the
Yeah.
trick here is do not try to do exactly the same size. You'll not be able to pull the graft up.
Yes.
It's a very, very difficult job.
Especially for PCL, there's
Yes.
no hesitation to make 0.5 mm larger
Yes.
tunnels.
So here,
ACL, it does not matter, graft passage is never a problem.
so this has to sit in that. Just give me a second.
Little more lower. Yeah, perfect.
So there's a bit of, so here I was also telling the tissues which are just medial to this, they are actually supporting the medial meniscus. Okay, start drilling please.
Yes.
Okay, so do not remove all the tissues. I'll show you afterwards how much is the size.
10.
Okay, go. Quickly. Mella hogi, mella. Salpa. Go.
So Shirish, while he is drilling, if you have a ACL, PCL concomitant reconstructions, what is your graft choice?
Hey, you don't see there. See
So
there, see
I
there.
would go for
Pilot
peroneus
should never-
longus,
you are a
like
pilot of
Vivek
the
is
surgery.
doing for PCL, and hamstring semigracilis for ACL.
Samir?
Yeah, same.
One
If
second, one
in
second.
case we need more on contralateral side also, we can harvest the hamstrings.
So till the time that I was not convinced that peroneus longus does not really affect the foot function, I was taking opposite side semity and gracilis and then making the PCL reconstruction. But nowadays, except for the foot surgeons, everybody seems to agree that peroneus longus harvest doesn't really impact the foot
No.
function.
Yeah, even for females,
Okay,
non-athlete,
mallet,
I
take it
use
out. Just give me
peroneus
the
as
mallet.
my primary graft
Take
for
it out.
ACLs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Please tell Milind Gajewar also.
Hey, now long-term studies have even shown, Manit he has done almost 400 cases peroneus
Because I have
longus, and he has
saved
shown
these
that
fibers
there
now.
are
Yes,
no
go.
harmful effects on the ankle.
You are supposed to see there.
The message is do not hesitate to take the peroneus
Yes.
longus graft
So now
whenever necessary.
one very, very important thing,
Yes,
the
Vivek.
person who is showing
Yes.
shall not see anywhere else. Go. When you are touching the other cortex, you have to stop and give it to me. Okay, stop. Mella.
So who's holding your scope right
Now
now?
he's a very efficiently trained fellow of Dr. Chirag.
Ah.
I can see his confidence.
Yes,
The way he was draping the things, I knew he has been trained by somebody really good.
yes,
This etiquettes in the theater tells you who has trained you.
correct.
Surgery we'll all learn in next 30 years. Etiquettes have to be taught very, very properly. So at this point, can I have the hand dreamer? You have the key unta, chakki unta. So this is just for demo's sake, no other reason.
Yes.
Key kodema.
Chirag, how are you doing on time?
We, 10
handle
more minutes,
unta?
sir. 10 more minutes.
Take.
Yeah, Vivek, don't want to hurry you, but about 10 to 12 minutes more.
Yeah, we should be done, sir.
Yes.
Kodi, rappa kodi. Hogta illa? Bad amare. No, it's not there. So I cannot demonstrate that step. Fair enough.
See, Vivek, sir,
Yep.
now we have the talk about going about 5 millimeters medial and 1 centimeters below the PCL footprint to prevent the stresses and to probably negate the killer turn. Any thoughts on that? Have you tried putting your graft a little lower and little lateral?
Yeah.
About 5 mm lateral and 1 centimeter below the footprint?
I'm not very sure, Chirag. I've been doing this, and once you go into the stage of, your good outcomes with X particular technique for, let's say, a decade, you just stop thinking about, too much of these nitty-gritties. What's your thought on this, Parag sir?
Just repeat the question again. I was just talking
Chirag.
Now,
Chirag.
now there's a talk about putting your tibial tunnel about 1 centimeter below and about 5 millimeters lateral to the footprint,
Right.
so that
Shaver, please.
you avoid the killer
so
turn. And
I wouldn't really do that. I don't see any particular advantage. If you put it more below, you struggle more to see it.
Absolutely.
And a couple of millimeters laterally, as has been said, is okay. Don't go too lateral in the advantage of avoiding any damage to the structures. Yes, Sunny.
RF, please. RF, please.
If you go slightly down, 1 centimeter below and lateral,
RF, please.
then that will be a non-anatomical site. That will be not your anatomical PCL
You
reconstruction.
can hold
It will
it
be
better with
non-anatomical.
your left hand.
That's why it's
And see
better
there.
always to see for 3 things, that you are in the, if you're not seeing the champion drop sign, that at least 13 to 14 millimeter below, just avoid the shiny white fibers, and just, if possible, see the popliteus tendon, popliteus muscle. Just ahead of the popliteus muscle, your entry point will be there.
yeah, this
That's
is a
what-
standard one. This is just the literature which has come out recently from the Chinese.
But what is the advantage of doing that, Chirag?
They say that you prevent the stresses on the bone
Yeah.
with
What stress on the bone?
More theoretical than
Yeah.
practical. But anyway, it's good to
Yeah.
know how different people do
Okay,
things
that's it.
differently.
Now, give me this. So this tunnel is done.
Yeah.
I'm not a great fan of doing this, rasping the tip unless I
Yes,
really
not
see
necessary.
a great, sharp point.
Yeah, because
So
depends,
charitable.
initially used to be the problems of, engaging and the killer turn issues. But I'm sure you're going to pass your graft probably from the portal and then get it down. But initially when we used to pass it from down, the killer turn was a problem. And therefore to make sure that the mouth was clean was very important to negotiate that killer turn.
Something is happening. Saline is there. Okay, fine.
To avoid killer turn, again here, one
Okay,
pulley,
now pull the
pulley we
suture
can
from there.
use.
Pull,
Yes.
pull.
So your
Pull,
graft
don't
is going through now the,
Yes, now leave it. Now I park it there. Okay, then leave it.
so you've got two loops, one in the
No,
tibial tunnel.
only one single loop, sir.
Okay.
Only one single loop. I'm not going to, and I just shift here so that I can see it better.
Yes.
Okay, and then I park it, leave it, remove your hand.
Also, Parag sir, what I've been
See,
started doing
Parag
now-
sir,
Yes.
easy, 3 steps, it's
Okay,
out.
it's out. Perfect.
Okay,
Lovely.
now
Yes,
get me the graph.
Chirag, you're making a point?
Yeah, so drilling the tunnel
One
from the
second.
lateral side
Yeah.
also gives a
One
direct trajectory. So we do not have that
Remove the
graft
eye,
going
remove the
through that
suture radio from there.
turn.
Yeah,
So that's
okay.
what many people have been doing now. The
Just,
Yes.
just a
anti-side
second
for
with the graph,
Yes.
just a second. So 5 minutes will be done.
Yes.
I mean, hopefully, if
We-
this doesn't,
Yeah. We'll give you
trouble
6.
Vivek, if
Yes.
in case if you are doing ACL plus PCL,
Ah.
then how would you place your tunnels of ACL and PCL on tibia? Which one would be medial, superior, inferior?
so the ACL is slightly medial and superior. Okay, and most of the time, even if they can come a little close, little close at the, let's say the mouth, inside they diverge.
Right.
So I'm not really, most of the time it doesn't happen. So again, your first thing is you put your guide wires. Okay, you can always put the guide wire and see where it is coming. And that helps in, keeping enough space. Why this? Okay, fine.
Yeah, Dr. Vivek,
Yes.
Ranjit this side. So, what is
Okay,
your
give the
take to bring your graft under
Give me,
or
give me,
over
give
the
me,
remnant?
give me 2 minutes. It's a little tricky step. I would like to speak later.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have a marking here. How much is the marking here? How much is the marking? 45. 45, okay. And the graph marking? Hold this. Scissor, Cody. Give me the scissor. Soft tissues,
So
sorry.
you made a triple fold.
Yes, a triple fold.
So I can see that the ends you have just kind of tagged. You don't suture it like the whip stitch what we do.
No,
for
I've
the
done
ACL.
this, sir, with this thing. Vicryl, can you see this?
Yeah, that's
And
just
this one
3
is just,
stitches with
yes,
the Vicryl,
yes.
Yeah.
And I'm going to insert about
So
25
suspensory on the femoral side you said, and on the tibial side?
screw, sir.
Oh, screw.
Yes.
What are your thoughts on using a tightrope? Because nowadays people have shifted to
Yeah,
use a
all
tightrope.
inside, na?
Yeah.
I haven't done, sir.
Yeah.
I think it happens with, most of the time once you go into the phase of cocoon, you say, okay, this is fine.
Yeah,
It
when
has done
something
well.
works for you, as you rightly said
Yeah.
a few minutes ago, you're very reluctant to change.
Yeah, unless and until it theoretically it proves that it's much, much better. Okay, pull that better from there, pull.
Yeah, that is why I always say,
Pull.
don't be the Monday surgeon. Like tomorrow you will
Yes.
go back to the OT and try
Yes,
something
pull.
drastically
One
new.
second. Just hold
And
this
then
here.
it comes back on your face. So
Bidu.
tweak your practice. That's why I always tell, small changes incrementally improve your outcomes.
No, just remove this. That's it, okay? Now, just hold it here, like this. So my leading suture is the white. Okay, give me the, this thing please. Trocar please. Trocar of the, yes. And we take this, as I will tell you, your name is Manideep, na? Manideep, as I'll tell you, you pull all sutures together. Okay, keep pulling and you keep pulling, together. Yes, together.
See, that's what you can see now from the
Keep pulling,
posterior
keep pulling.
side.
Mela,
They're using a rod which
Okay.
is using to railroad the
One
graft
second.
inside to
You-
avoid
you-
the killer turn. That's an
Okay.
important step.
Okay, keep pulling. One second. Keep pulling. Pull all together. Yes, pull all together. Perfect. Well, mella, 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 mella. Don't jump.
No, keep
Okay.
the messenger rod, yeah, don't let it go.
Okay, gentle beta. Go, 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 go. And that's why you milk or squeeze the graft, keep pulling together.
Yes,
Keep going. Keep going, keep going. You see this?
yes, the graft is coming
Go,
now.
Go.
Yeah,
One second. Go. Go. 1 second. Now I have to see where's my button. Okay, so button is already out. Leave it.
yes. Perfect.
Okay, there it is. Fine.
Yeah, your
Now,
marking is also perfect.
just hold this, hold this, hold this. Now we'll just try to flip.
I think it already must have flipped.
Yeah, it has already gone about half a centimeter because I was seeing down. And that's why it took a little longer loop.
Yeah,
Your graft is coming in between the
Keep
collagen.
it pulled. As I told you, Samir, I don't believe in this beyond a point. This is well flipped. Okay, for me, this is all fake theories. Okay, hold it here, hold it here. It makes no sense. Those collagens, if they were very effective, patient wouldn't have come to me. Okay, now, you know how to cinch? Cinch. You can go there, beta. Go there. Go there. I'll tell you when to
that
stop.
being said, whenever I agree, Samir, whenever you can preserve it, just keep it and get it to the collagen. Ranjit,
Far. Yes.
just what is your question? Just ask and we'll.
Yeah, Vivek.
Yes.
You want to bring your graft under the remnant or over the remnant?
It's
What do you
over-
believe?
See, Samir,
Or-
there is barely any remnant left actually. Because you see on
Ranjit,
tibia.
that's Ranjit.
Yeah.
Ranjit is asking you this.
Ranjit is asking.
Yeah, go. Give me 2 minutes. Let this step get over.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, keep going, better. Keep going. Perfect. Keep going. Very
Yeah,
good.
perfect.
Excellent. Keep going.
So the kiloton
Excellent.
is negotiated totally.
Go. Perfect. Excellent. Keep going, better. Keep going. When I ask you to stop, you stop. Go. This first cycle you have to stop. Go. Little more. That's it. Perfect. Excellent. That's it. Leave it. Take out from there.
So on the tibial side, can you show a close up? Do you have some graft coming out or?
I'll show you, sir. I'll show you. Just take out, beta. So that's it. Give me the nitinol fast. And there is the tibia side. There.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Give me the nitinol, please. Just hold it here, beta. Okay. Can I have one light, please, here? ಎರಡು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡು ಮಾ ಅದು ಬೇಡಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೆಲ್ಲ you're almost done. Don't cross the field. Yes. Okay. And now where do I put? I usually put it inferiorly. Okay. So it goes inferior and there we can see. Can you see that?
Yes. Just Anand close up.
The wire inside image.
Yes, we can see.
Okay.
Yeah,
What's
wire
the-
we can see. We can see both the
Dilator,
images.
give me the dilator.
So your graft is
Give me
just
the
about
artery.
coming out.
ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಿ ದಪ್ಪ ಆರ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡು dilator haki. So Ceronics has got a very good dilator. I often use to just dilate a little bit.
Yes, that helps.
You know, that helps in. And okay, now this question is for all faculties. My preference is always that the screw must engage the opposite cortex. A lot of people disagree with this. What's your take on Parag sir and others?
So I would not go to the opposite cortex.
Later
You know,
on,
I
bit
want a fit on the cortex anteriorly. So I won't go all the way behind because sometimes what I've seen that, you know, when we lose the fit on the anterior cortex where it actually fits well, the graft loosens out a bit.
So
And
that
the
is
screw loosens out and because of the contact with the bone marrow and the medullary canal.
that is fine, sir, when your graft is coming outside. Okay, give me the 11th screw.
Shirish, what do you do?
So I think Vivek, if graft is going inside, I would go and fix the far cortex
Here,
with
one
screw
here.
and I'll add a
And
suture disc
One of you, so in
additionally
70
on the
degrees,
anterior side.
just pull it anterior beta as much
Samir.
as possible.
Yeah, same way.
And
Yeah,
now
so
you have
I
to
don't
show.
do that, but what I do is sometimes I do
Where?
additional fixation with a staple. You know, for my PCL, they always get a secondary fixation on the tibial side. Either you make a drill hole and pass it and drill it or put a staple or a post. Zoom out, Anand. Show the position
What is
of the
the
knee.
position of knee, Vivek?
It's
And
about
are you giving
17.
an anterior draw?
Yeah. My assistants are giving anterior
Yeah.
draw.
So whenever you're doing this, it should be about 90 degrees. That's what you see. The assistant should give a complete anterior draw, and the graft you should pull it as hard as you can. In a PCL, don't worry that it's going to get too tight
Dry
and
mop, please,
catch your
ma'am.
knee.
Dry mop.
In a ACL, of course, don't make it too tight.
Dry
But
mop,
here
please.
you can make it as tight as you can because that is what you need to correct the posterior sag.
Yeah, very good job. Just keep showing there, beta. We got
Yeah,
to see
Chirag.
here. Okay, perfect.
Yes, just show us the graft once.
Sir, 1 second. Let the screw come out.
Okay.
We are already there.
Can I ask question?
Please don't ask anything now.
Not.
So you can see all these marrow elements coming out. These are very important, my friends. You can see it because I am going to give you a talk later on enhancement of meniscal
Malak,
healing.
could you
And
mention?
this is something what you want to see, the marrow elements. So don't, in the end, suck it out. And nowadays, if any of you're using drains, please don't use drains because they suck out all the, marrow fluid and which has high healing potential and definitely augments your healing. Shirish or you use drains anytime?
Yeah, I use.
I think, if you're not really worried about too much bleeding, one should avoid it. That's what my take is. Shirish?
So I put a drain only on the harvest side,
Okay.
Yeah, but that's.
Not in the,
not in the joint.
not in the joint. Yeah, fair enough.
So we have already the screw tip here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think I'm done with this fixation and I got a very good feel. You can see just the tip coming out here. I can in fact go a little in. That's it. Mallet, please.
Vivek, can you
Yes.
show us the final picture? We have to rush for the other scientific agenda.
Yes. We are done. I'll leave and don't remove this wire till you are 100% sure. Because once you have removed this wire, nothing can be done.
Yes.
Okay. So leave
Agreed.
this here.
So just one quick point, I pass my graft from the anteromedial portal, it makes it quite easy, pull it into the tibia and then get it back into the femur. I found that I switched from
So
this
you see
technique.
now the ACL tension is restored.
Yes.
Without me touching. That's
Yeah.
the graft. You can retension
Yeah,
it
the
once more.
posterior sag sign, the ACL sloppy
Just
is
pull it.
negative now. ACL is
Yes, just
tight,
pull it
taut.
as much as, you see, now we are retensioning the PCL.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay. Some things I'd left. Yes, perfect. Good job. Done.
Great, a big round of applause.
So this is
for
done.
Vivek.
You can
Well
see
done,
the
Vivek. Well done.
external picture. You see there's no posterior drawer.
Yes.
Okay. And the
Yes.
PCL, the ACL tension is completely restored. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, anesthesia
No.
colleagues.
Thank-